Hello, hello, Cryptor Global Community. Bitcoin Brandon here with another short, quick update to what's going on in the crypto world while you're on your path. Stealth is wealth in the Cryptor Global Community. Get involved, get in the game. So, what is new that we could talk about? Well, there is a new it's not even a fad, a new trend that's taking place that I've been talking about. That is the fact that billionaires, multimillionaires, Fortune 500 companies, and even governments are all in accumulation phase and mode when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto. They are buying up crypto at a fast pace. They are integrating Bitcoin services to their businesses. They are implementing retail sales. They are also looking for ways to start to tokenize their brand. Everything that you should be doing in your business. As a matter of fact, if you are not taking advantage of what Cryptor Global offers to help to build your brand name, tokenize yourself, and implement blockchain strategies, you're going to end up going the way of Blockbuster. We want you to go the way of Netflix. So what is the latest news today? Comes out that Wall Street bigwigs have only begun pouring money into Bitcoin, says JP Morgan analysts. A team of JP Morgan analysts is confident that an additional influx of institutional money is primed to flow into Bitcoin. The team, led by Nicholas Panagurtskula, says the wealthy are withdrawing gold investments as Bitcoin continues to attract institutional support. According to the team, Bitcoin currently only holds 0.18% of family office assets, whereas gold exchange traded funds hold 3.3% of the assets of the same group. If the noted shift continues to occur between gold and Bitcoin, the number one cryptocurrency could be set to receive billions of dollars worth of investments. The data suggests that the adoption of Bitcoin by institutional investors has only begun, says JP Morgan. Meanwhile, digital asset investment firm Galaxy Digital is highlighting that Bitcoin is now an asset that's recognized at the institutional level. In the Galaxy Fund's November newsletter, the firm names the institutional players who have bought into Bitcoin's story, such as Wall Street legend Bill Miller, notable macro investor Stanley Druckenmiller, BlackRock CIO Rick Ryder, and hedge fund manager Ray Dalio. Says Galaxy, on the wave of institutional support, this past November should be remembered as a time when Bitcoin became about the investor. As our CEO Mike Novogratz indicated, the herd is coming, and now it seems the first members of that herd are beginning to arrive. The firm also finds bullish news in the regulatory space, spotlighting the election of Bitcoin bull Cynthia Lummis to the Senate and the acting comptroller of the currency, Brian Brooks' support for digital assets. Have you gotten your platinum package yet? Don't be left out. Get your platinum package for Cryptor Global. Get yourself and your business in the game. Bitcoin Brandon out with Cryptor Global. Until next time, bye-bye.